Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Cleo. How you doing? Good? Well, today guys, on my channel I'm going to be making some Singapore noodles. I'll be using some rice vermicelli that I'll be soaking in hot water, not cooking on the stove. Alright, and my protein for this menu is my shrimp and chicken there. Okay, so my season, I have a little granulated sugar, 2 eggs, some whole bay for my shrimp, you know, a little Maggi all-purpose. Cajun, I don't like a lot of seasoning on my shrimp guys, because you know it have its own distinct taste and flavor. Right, I have some dark soy sauce and some light soy sauce, some oyster sauce, sesame oil. I have my vegetable here is my green, red and yellow bell peppers, also some snow peas, my red onion, garlic, onion. There it goes guys. I cut some of my snow peas and I leave some whole. Alright, you don't have to do it like that. I have some skeleton as well too. Okay, have some black pepper and all the works there. Okay, so I'm just gonna go right ahead and get on with my noodles. Okay, so these are my noodles, soaking in hot water, not for too long guys. Don't want them to get too saggy now. Okay, I'm just gonna play around with them a little, and I'm not making a lot guys, because I'm just making some for my lunch. Okay, so I'm gonna now strain them off. Okay, cooking process guys, I'm going to use some cold water. Okay, there it is guys. See that? Okay, so guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish my sauce. I already put oyster sauce in, some Chinese wine, sesame oil, dark soy sauce and light soy sauce. That's what I put in here. They're all here. Like I always say, my space is very small. I'm gonna go in now. Put some pepper flake. My sauce. I'm also gonna go in with some curry. You definitely need curry for this dish guys. I'm going in a teaspoon. That's it. My sauce. Okay. For my shrimp, I did the Old Bay as well. Okay. Where you going? You don't want to be cooked. Okay, nice. A little black pepper. I don't like to put a lot of seasoning on my shrimp. You can go ahead and do what you like in your kitchen. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead now and break my eggs. I like to break them in a bowl, in case if it's spoiled guys, I don't have to throw out my whole stuff. Right, this I like to take it up. going to go in with the tips of salt, my egg, and a little black pepper. Just going to beat it. Vegetable oil as well. From my eggs, guys. In the same pot, guys, a little bit more oil, the chicken in. All done, guys. The chicken done. So we're going to go in with a little more oil. And I'm going to saute my vegetables, guys. Guys, if you have a wok, please feel free to go and use it, okay? And this need high heat, guys. I'm doing this on a high heat because I don't want my vegetables to get soggy. I'm still looking for crunch here, okay? My chicken and egg. I'm just sauteing these, guys. I don't want it to get mushy. So I'm going in with my garlic and my ginger, guys. And I'm going to go in with my shrimp. Smells so good. That fragrance from that garlic and ginger. I'm telling you, guys. Remember, guys, to like, subscribe, share with a friend, share with a cousin, share with your husband, share with your girlfriend, share with your co-worker. Please share my videos, guys. Thank you to all my new subscribers as well. And thank you for the long time one day that support me from the start this thing. Guys, we don't want to cook our shrimp for too long now because you know shrimp don't need a long time to cook. It will just get rubbery and we are not looking for that, alright? Put my sauce in now. We're looking for that little curry color, right? That little yellow, nice bright color. I can smell that curry. guys, I'm gonna go with a little granulated sugar and my scallion here. Okay. So beautiful that is, guys. Smells so divine. Stove is off. There it is, guys. All done. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this recipe. If you try it, let me know. Remember to like, subscribe, share, comment. Cost you nothing to subscribe, guys, and I won't bite you if you comment. Okay, thank you, guys. Bye.